there's a dots because Ty had 0, Mikell had 4. The next point that we have, you can't see it up here, but I know you see it, is 1, 5. 1, 5. For 2, 2, 6. I'm done. What we were able to cover today, gentlemen, we are covering a bunch of different techniques. Graphing things on the coordinate plane, translating things on the table, going from a literal word situation to an algebraic expression. That's 3 different techniques, and it's all going to be bundled up on the star. So I want you to see it the same way they're going to drop it off to you. Finish this graph, connect those dots, and then we'll discuss what you see. What are you asking? What is an independent variable? That is the piece of the situation that we can change. It is free to change. Independence means free. We have freedom to change it when we want to. We can't control Mikell's score because Mikell's score depends on Ty's score. So Ty is the independent. I'm sorry, you have a question? I couldn't tell. Yes, Jay.
See, I know we're talking about quarter points, but I'm just saying, if it was a regular points, we'd only have to do 28, because if Ty shot 7 points, 7 times 4 would be 28.
That's true. 7 times 4 is 28. However, the situation at hand is not multiplying. Mikell doesn't score 4 times what Ty scores. Mikell scores 4 more than what Ty scores.
Oh.
So what is?
Yes, Alejandro.
We have to do like a little booklet about this.
That analysis stuff, yeah?
Nothing.
Kinda, yeah.
So it's just gonna go in a straight line forever.
It is going to go in a straight line forever. We're here and then we're done. Thank you for shaking. Everybody else should be shaking soon too.
This one, if you see how you got it, the first one it says 0 comma 4. I know that it's like quantum video. You put the you put the dot with on the 0 line because on the 0 line, and then you went over. And you went over. Like, is that 4 or is that 3?
So this is 0 and then up 4. You got me? This is over 1, up 5. This is gonna be over 2, up 6. This is gonna be
over 5, up 9. Like this? Over 7, up 11.
That's how
So where is the last one, the T? Where does the T go?
it doesn't. It doesn't. That's not a point supply. So I'm only seeing a handful of people who have actually connected their dots, connected all of their dots, not just. And what you should see, what you should recognize, is a straight line. You should be able to see a straight line. In this particular case, it should be going up because nobody is going to ever score negative points. We start at 0 and rise up. Looking good, Solomon. All you needed was glasses. Knowing that we're all human, everything is not going to look perfect. But as close as possible, it should be a straight line. We're at 5 and 9. We're at 7 and 11. And again, we're human. We're hoping that we have something like a straight line. Not bad, Mr. Mike. The last piece that you need to recognize is the type of relationship that it is. Is this an additive relationship or is it a multiplicative relationship? Thank you for thinking. Is this additive or is it multiplicative? Thank you for waiting. Is it additive or is it multiplicative? Thank you for raising it. Conversation, Serge. How are you? Yeah, it's funny. Is it additive or multiplicative? What? Additive. It's just additive. Amazing job, Sergio Garza. So down here where it says relationship, nothing else is going to go in this but additive. else gonna go in there.
Hey, that was pretty easy.
So your next one, gentlemen, is going to be on that worksheet. I'm going to give you relationship. Let me get the situation first, and then you'll go. And I'm trying to debate with myself: am I going to give you the relationship? I mean, the situation, or am I going to give you the expression? The expression. So I'm giving you the expression. You're going to make up the relationship. You're going to obviously make the table. You're going to make the graph. It's all on you now. On that sheet there.
Yeah.
No, not that one. That was. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, West. Thank you, Central. Thank you, East. Once I know that I have 100% boys with the paper in their hand, I can expect 100% of the boys to be working on this task. Waiting on my last 1%. That's my guy. Alright, we're putting it down. Your algebraic expression is as follows. And again, your job is to go backwards. You're going to make up a scenario. Here we go. Seven in. Seven in. So please pay attention. Just like before, the value that you're going to use for n is 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, and n. One, 2, 5, 7, n. Oh, 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, n. Yes, that's what you're doing. So you should be able by this time to make up your own situation. That, wait, is this multiplicative or additive? It's multiplicative.
Why?
Because there's no visible operation that says Armando Law. Yeah, it's in that right there when I said it. And you're off. So right now you're referring back to your notes, looking at what we just did together, plugging into the formula what we just did together, and filling in the rest of those boxes. All right. First off, we got to need this. All right. So let's go. This is independent.
I know this independent, but it's not a question like this. Remember, last semester when you taught us about the jump, since this multiplicative, can we do a jump? The jump. Remember when it was a whole bunch of things and instead of going 1 to like 100 or something, you did the little jump thing?
On the graph?
Yeah.
The break?
Yeah. So we do that?
It's unnecessary on this one because the biggest jumping point there is from 0 to 7.
Alright.
Alright, good job. No, so obviously you're going to have to come up with a situation. So what is one situation I got to say? Oh, give me a situation. What you You can leave it back there, yeah. Alright, so we know what you want to do. Yeah, well, what do you like to do, brother? What do you like to do for me? Soccer? Okay, cool. Write this down. You got one about soccer? What you got here?
For every goal Alex makes, Mondo makes 7 times as much.
Okay, so go ahead. So, there we go. For those who cannot think of, that's pretty much. For those who can't think of their own situation, here's one.
And what has 7 blocks?
For each goal, you can I came in. Alright, cool. For each goal that Alejandro scores, Mondo scores 7.
No, it's for each goal. For each goal, Elmo makes order, Alejandro makes 7 more.
Not 7 more.
7 times.
Yeah. Pay attention. For each goal Alex makes, Mondo makes 7. That's multiplication. Because if Alex scores 1, Mondo scores 7. Alex scores 2. No, I'm done. That was it. That was just a starter for people who didn't know how to start on their own. But you're going on your own. I'm not going to say it again. Right now you have 7 minutes to complete it. It's not difficult, but it's very hard to finish if you don't start.
You can't finish if you don't start.
That's fine. Thank you, Trayvon. So I'll give you a situation. Okay, so like 7. Bless you.
Thank you. Yes.